Perplexity.ai is a new AI chat tool that acts as an extremely powerful search engine. It uses advanced artificial intelligence technologies, such as OpenAI's GPT-3 model, to provide direct answers to questions superscript 1 superscript 2. Perplexity.ai unlocks the power of knowledge with information discovery and sharing, and aims to deliver accurate answers quickly. To use Perplexity.ai, you can simply type your question in natural language and press enter. Perplexity.ai will then generate a response based on its large language models and show you the sources of the information. You can also ask follow-up questions or explore related topics. Perplexity.ai can handle a wide range of queries, from factual to creative, and from simple to complex. You can also try some of the examples on the homepage or the playground. To see what Perplexity.ai can do. Perplexity.ai and Google are both powerful search tools, but they have different approaches and features. Here are some of the main differences. Perplexity.ai uses a chat interface, while Google uses a web interface. This means that Perplexity.ai can provide more natural and interactive conversations, while Google can display more visual and diverse results. Perplexity.ai lets you choose from different language models, such as GPT-4 and Claude, while Google uses its own proprietary algorithms. This means that Perplexity.ai can offer more variety and customization, while Google can ensure more consistency and reliability. Perplexity.ai is more focused on providing direct answers to questions, while Google is more focused on providing relevant links to web pages. This means that Perplexity.ai can save you time and effort, while Google can give you more options and sources. Ultimately, the best tool for you depends on your preferences and needs. You can try both and see which one suits you better.